Get ready to meet your new favorite tool, the Innova 3380 Borescope inspection camera. Designed for simplicity, the Innova 3380 combines effortless operation with powerful functionality to make every job a breeze. With its ergonomic design, this device fits snugly in your hand, giving you complete control. The 2.7-inch display ensures clear visibility, letting you see everything in real time. Need to get to those impossible to reach spots? No problem. The 3.3-foot high-grade aluminum cable is not only flexible, but tough enough to navigate tight spaces. Bend it, shape it, go wherever the job takes you. But the real star? This 6 LED-equipped IP67 rated lens, which is waterproof, oil-proof, and built to thrive in the messiest conditions. Dive into water, oil, or any challenging environment, it's ready for it all. Use the included hook or magnet attachments to retrieve hard-to-reach items, or the angled mirror attachment to explore sharp corners with ease. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a seasoned professional, or someone who just needs an easy-to-use inspection camera, this tool will help you see what was once impossible. Take your inspections to the next level with the Innova 3380, because no space is out of reach.